Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading session. Today's episode we are going to see the Lord Krishna being fed by Brahmin women and how mesmerizing his love was towards them. Krishna and the Brahmin women. One day, Krishna and Balarama, as usual, went to the pastures with the gopas and cows. In the afternoon, they felt very hungry and thirsty. They had already finished their lunch a long time back. Now they were looking for some fruits or wild berries, but in that part of the jungle there were no fruit trees. The gopas told Krishna about their condition. Having seen a yajna being performed at close quarters by some Brahmins, Krishna said to them, "At a little distance from here, some Brahmins are performing yajna. When you will tell them that Krishna and Balarama have sent you, they will surely give you some food." The Gopas happily went to the hermitage where some Brahmins were performing the yajna. One of the Gopas said to the Brahmins with folded hands, "O Brahmins, Krishna and Balarama have sent us to fetch some food from great people like you. Please do this favor and give us some food to eat. We are very hungry." But uttering harsh words, the Brahmins sent them away empty handed. The Gopas came back and narrated what had happened in the hermitage to Krishna and Balarama. Krishna laughed and said to them, "This time go to the wives of those Brahmins, they will surely give you something to eat." The Brahmin women were preparing for a grand feast to feed their husbands after the completion of the yajna. When the Gopas went to them and told them about their hunger and that Krishna and Balarama had sent them, they forgot their husbands, children, and even themselves. Now they only wanted to see the Lord with their own eyes and feed them with their own hands. Actually, till then, dark complexioned Krishna's fame had spread far and wide. They wanted to see the little boy with a peacock feather stuck in his hair and golden yellow silk dhoti. The Brahmin women had been adoring him till now. Taking all the vessels in their hands, the Brahmin women rushed to see their lord. The Gopas showed them the way. The Brahmins became very angry on seeing this. They forbade them to go to Krishna, but they paid no heed and continued on their way. Soon they all reached the tree under which Balaram and Krishna were seated. Krishna was exactly the same as they had imagined. He was more enchanting to behold. The Brahmin women began to feed the two brothers with their own hands, and with each bite that Krishna ate, they felt a divine peace enveloping them. They did not want to go back to their husbands and fell at the feet of Krishna and said, "Please let us stay at your feet forever. We do not want to return back." Krishna smiled at them and said, "Arise, you gentle women. I know that your devotion towards me has brought you here. The love for me in your minds is pure and sacred. You have got my sight. Now you should go back to your husbands. The yajna your husbands are performing would not accomplish as long as you are not with them." One of the wives at this said, "O Krishna, please don't ask us to return back. We have left everything and now seek your refuge. Our husbands will not accept us if we now return back. Please accept us." Krishna said politely, "Don't worry, no one will defame you. Even the gods will respect your devotion for me as long as I am in your thoughts and in your heart. That is enough. Now make a retreat." The Brahmin women returned to the hermitage, and to their amazement, their husbands really did not even utter a single word to them and continued with their yajna. After completing the yajna, the Brahmins repented for sending the Gopas back, uttering harsh words to them. One of them said to others, "Our knowledge has no meaning. We insulted Lord Krishna, but our wives, who did not have even the slightest of knowledge, have full devotion for Lord Krishna. It is actually incomparable. We are lucky to have such wives." The other Brahmins also felt sad and repented for their deeds. On the other side, Krishna and Balarama with Gopas enjoyed the delicious dishes brought by the Brahmin women. Here ends the episode. Tomorrow I will come up with a new episode. Until then, see you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.